Hi everyone. Welcome to Information Technology channel. In this video, I'm gonna teach you, or show you of how to download and install Viber on your computer. So now, let's start. Open your favorite browser, and type Viber.com. Viber offers a free and secure calls and messages to anyone, and anywhere. That's the reason I really like this app. Just click the download Viber button. Viber app, you can also download it in your phone. It also available on desktop computer. Windows or for Mac. But for this video, we are going to download it for Windows. It's now downloaded. Once your downloading is finished, you may now install the Viber app. To install it, just open it or run it as administrator. Viber app is already installed, you may now open and use it now. To totally use it, open your Viber on your phone. Open the menu screen. Open the QR code reader and scan the code. Hit the sync button to sync chat history, and to continue exactly where you left off by syncing your entire mobile chat history. Do it between your computer and your phone. You're done. That's it for this video, friends. If you like this video, please do not forget to like, share and subscribe.